guys, good morning and welcome to a new vlog. How are you all doing today? This is morning and I just want to carry you guys along my busy day. Like, I'm going to be doing a couple of things today. Yes, I am going to be cooking and I'm going to also clean. I'm going to clean this fridge and our microwave. So I just say let me carry you guys along, okay? Probably when we finish we'll call it a day. I don't think I will carry you along the rest of my day, just my busy morning schedule. Okay, so let me just show you what my fridge looks like now, and thereafter we're going to clean it. I don't know. Yeah, let me just show you. So this is how the fridge looks like right now. So I want to clean it now. That's my vegetable. Yeah, I just have some things inside it. These are my baby's drugs. No, then this is the freezer. This is my okra, egusi and ogbono, fish and meat, and another egusi. This is beans actually. Yes, this is the reason I want to clean this fridge. You see all these things here. I washed this meat out. You know, no matter how you wash a meat, it will still drop this brown water. Like the blood will not go off completely. So the thing now dropped here, so it's not looking nice. I want to clean everything. I want to clean this place too. Yeah, so I'm also going to be cleaning the microwave. Like, the microwave is so bad, my food splashed inside it. Yeah, can see I was warming I think that was soup or beans. Okay, and the thing just splashed everywhere. So I'm also going to so I have a basket here. I'm going to be packing all these things, putting everything here.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Da 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 da.
Face, listen to me. I say everything you put your hand,
Go back.
your name go open doors.
Amen.
You self gon' be a bowl.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Everything you put your hand,
Go back.
your name go open doors.
Amen.
You self gon' be a bowl.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Every hustler get him day. Where the answer go come they pay. Yourself and no go take.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 If you no find work, do your own.
Oh.
God self go do him own. And flesh go cover bone. Amen,
Amen.
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 If you believe it, say amen.
Amen.
If you believe it, say amen.
Amen.
If you believe it, say amen.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Sister, we want marry sins. Auntie, where they find Pekin. One day you go born on twin. Amen,
Amen.
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 Tenant where they lose him job. Landlord come the door like God. One day you go be landlord.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Long life will follow you.
Amen.
Strangers will favor you.
Amen.
If you believe it, say amen.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Everything you put your hand,
Go back.
your name go open doors.
Amen.
Yourself gon' be a boss.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Everything you put your hand,
Go back.
your name go open doors.
Amen.
Yourself gon' be a boss.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Your children will make you proud.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Your music will be successful.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 You go buy that big Bugatti.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Daddy gonna buy Lamborghini.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 And mom will build big house. Amen,
Amen.
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 And a man will get big house.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 This music will go global.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
amen. and the word of God will reach people.
Amen.
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 Everything you put your hand,
Good.
your name go open doors.
Amen.
Yourself gon' be a boss.
Amen.
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 If you no find work, do your own.
Amen.
God self gon' do him own.
Amen.
And flesh gon' cover bone.
Amen.
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 Drake gon' be your friend.
Amen.
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 Michael Bundi gon' be your friend.
Amen.
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 If you believe it, say amen.
Amen.
If you believe it, say amen.
Amen.
If you believe it, say amen.
Amen. Amen. Amen. Amen.
You go get that new promotion
Amen.
and your business will grow.
Amen.
If you're watching us, say amen.
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 Kenya will have peaceful elections.
Amen.
Nigeria will have good elections.
Amen.
And the world will have peace.
Amen.
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 The devil has already lost.
Amen.
Victory is ours.
Amen.
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 Oh, guys, I did it. My fridge is sparkling right now. So guys, I'm done with my cleaning, and this is past 3 p.m. Yeah, so I want to feed my children right now. Normally they are supposed to have taken their lunch by now, but because I was cleaning, they had to wait. Yeah, so yeah, this is how I do it most of the days. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.